Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ikemen online. First, you will need to download the official game client. Visit the game's dedicated website to find the correct download link. Before downloading, quickly check that your computer or mobile device meets the minimum system requirements for smooth gameplay. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. This ensures you have the most stable and up-to-date version of the game. After installation, the next crucial step is creating your player account. Launch the game and look for the register or sign up option. You will need to provide a valid email address and create a unique username that represents you in the game world. Remember to choose a strong password, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Finally, check your email inbox for a verification link to activate your account, which is essential before you can log in and begin your adventure. Once logged in, you will likely encounter an introductory tutorial. It is highly recommended to complete this, as it teaches you the fundamental controls and game mechanics. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the user interface, understanding where your inventory, character stats, and chat functions are located. Pay attention to how character progression works, whether through experience points or specific quests, and learn how to accept and complete your first few missions to start your journey effectively. To truly enhance your Ikemen online experience, consider engaging with the vibrant player community. Joining a guild or a player group can provide valuable support, tips, and opportunities for cooperative play. Look out for in-game events and daily challenges, as these often offer unique rewards and a chance to test your skills. Don't hesitate to use the in-game chat to communicate with fellow players, ask questions, or even make new friends, enriching your overall gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.